And that's how it's fucking done, boys. Welcome back everybody for another video by your boy Crypto Holger. Let's get this crypto. Today's video will be a how-to tutorial on how I do my momentum trading on IntentX. If you didn't know already, IntentX is a so-called Perp DEX on the base chain, Coinbase network, you know. And the reason why I use IntentX is because they have a amazing airdrop opportunity going on right now. So as you can see, I've accumulated 86 points with a total trading volume of $44.65,000. So for every trade that I make, I get a few points, which then gives me a greater opportunity to get in on their airdrop. Let's get this crypto. Here's some quick info on their airdrop and their roadmap. So as you can see, public open beta November 15, 2023. Users can explore IntentX unique trading functionalities and earn a share of 2 million IntentX tokens through retroactive airdrop based on trading volume and task completion. And the full launch is this quarter 2024. The complete unveiling of IntentX includes trade and earn program with 24 million IntentX allocated over 3 years and real-time reward dashboard for easy tracking and claiming of rewards. So think of this like getting in on DYDX or GMX way before it launched, and we have all seen what those tokens have done. Absolutely incredible numbers. So without further ado, let me show you my how-to guide on momentum trading that I recorded yesterday on January 19th. Let's go. Okay, so I thought I might show you guys how I do my momentum trading on IntentX. Yeah, big time. I have no idea what token this is, but it's looking like it wants to move, so let's put in a long big time. Also, yeah, I'm gonna show you this as well. I like to use Heiken Ashi as they tends to show the momentum a lot better. Can I remove the volume somehow? Okay, awesome. So yeah, we can clearly see this had a massive downturn. We have one small green candle here. Let me put on 5-minute chart. So yeah, we're seeing the momentum shift. Now, this candle seems to be, yeah, we're going to go long right here. What I wanted to say was we want to close the position when we see the momentum starting to slow down, and in my opinion this is looking like it's getting stronger. So hopefully we will make some money here. Let's see. I might have gotten in too late because I was recording, but yeah, let's see. Hopefully it goes like up to here, maybe tests this line again, and then we will probably get rejected. I have no idea. Like I said, definitely not a experienced trader or anything. I just do this for fun, and if I find some opportunity to make money, I hop on it. You can check out my Telegram group. I usually share my trades there. And yeah, this is basically one way of trading. I also do normal, like technical analysis trading, but momentum trading is a lot more fun because yeah, it gets the heart rate going. So let's sit back and see what this does. Okay, so it looks like we got lucky and we are in the green right now. I do not like the look of this candle though, but we'll see. It reminds me of, like you can see here, it's like, I think it's called a reverse hammer. It might go down, but I still feel like, okay, so we're pumping right now. I'm gonna show you a cool thing you can also do on IntentX. So let's say we want to withdraw these $4.90 we got right here. Just click on withdraw and I can withdraw that plus the extra USDC I had in my account. I'm gonna withdraw it. So this is a way of taking profit. I don't know what just happened. Reverted multi-action error. So yeah, this is still in the beta phase, so things like this might happen. Let's try again. Okay, so now it worked. Let's confirm and should see a withdraw request. Yep, so my money will be withdrawn in 12 hours, or I should say in 12 hours there will be a button here saying claim withdraw or withdraw, and when I click it, it gets sent directly to my wallet. So yeah, this trade is actually looking kinda good right now. But let's see. Let's move this right here. Let me just check some levels. So yeah, this is a pretty bullish candle actually on the 4-hour short. So we might actually see this run even higher, but of course you never know with these kinds of altcoins, and as you can see we got a lot of resistance at this level, so let's see what happens. Maybe put in a resistance line somewhere. Like right here. Change the color. Red. Okay. Let's switch back to the 5-minute time frame. And let's see if we get above this it will be very bullish in my opinion, not financial advice. Like I said, this is momentum trading. I usually do like a lot of TA before I put in a trade. I want to see like patterns break and stuff, but momentum trading is definitely way more fun. Anyway, let's see how this develops. And that's how it's fucking done, boys. 57% on a live momentum trade. Feels absolutely amazing. I think it's looking like the market is starting to turn. Yup. Let me put on the daily for Bitcoin. Yep, so this was the line that I was concerned about. We don't want to see it close below this. Looks like we have pumped way above it. Good, very good. Guess we got lucky. Now I'm gonna leave this trade, but I'm gonna put in a stop loss maybe at 336. Yeah, I'm gonna put in a stop loss at 3680, and how we put a stop limit is we put limit price 0. What did I say? 368, 368, and yeah, close position. Confirm, and I'm gonna let this bad boy ride overnight. Hopefully it pumps a lot higher. Would be nice to have a 100%, but hey, I'm fucking happy with this trade. It was a beautiful trade. Count held at 300. Oops, 139%. Looks like my position got closed. I don't know why. If we had like a real quick wick to the downside. This hasn't happened for me before. Very annoying. Anyway, we made 50% on a momentum trade, so hey, I can't complain. And yeah, man, IntentX, I'm telling you, this platform, it's the funnest I have had in crypto in a long time. I know you can leverage trade on all kinds of platforms, but IntentX, like I said, they have a great airdrop opportunity, so make sure to take advantage of that. I believe like this could be the next GMX or DYDX for the base chain, and we all know Coinbase is the OG, the godfather of all crypto exchanges, even though none of us, experienced crypto investors use it, but all the normies use it, and it's fucking 2024, the year when all the normies are going to pile into crypto, so you already know. Let's get this crypto. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe if you found this useful, helpful, I don't know. I guess we got very lucky, but hey, I gave you some tips on how I momentum trade, use the Heiken Ashi candles and you can see a clear pattern when it's going up, when it's going down, so on and so forth. Take care of yourself. I'm out. Bye.